On Friday, cooking cylinders and stoves were distributed to 97 women from 97 families in Sindu Kumar village under Longthrai village of division through a public meeting. MP Rebati Tripura was present during the distribution on this day. The BJP government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is emphasizing to uplift the female children and women empowerment in the country through various schemes and projects. As part of that, cooking cylinders and stoves under Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana was distributed in Sindu Kumar village of Longthrai village of division on Friday. This facility was given to 97 women from 97 families of the area under the initiative of MP Rebati Tripura on this day. On the occasion of distribution of this benefit, MP Rebati Tripura said,
Longthrai village subdivision ni sini Sindu Kumar para edisi village orosum Ujjwala Yojana ni je scheme aro sung prai 97 poribar oroni burirogno sung gas mangna bag tunggu karon Bharat Sarkar Pradhan Mantri puro Bharat Borsho 10 koti burirogno amahai Ujjwala gas Yojana ni subidari tunggu subsidy to free gas connection mane kuila mane cylinder free stove everything's free next time theke borong jokhon gas pai nai nijini poisa bai abo khenai prothom je gas cylinder painani tarpore stove painani abo phanose mane onek khorcha thame pray 7 থেকে 8000 টাকা তো abo sung mangnari to pray 10 কোটি ভারত বর্ষনি borong sung amai ke dite so tini oro
MDC Sanjay Das, Karamchara Mandal President Brajla Tripura, Janjati Morcha State Secretary Jai Bahadur Rupini among others were present on the occasion. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.